Number 1. 1995 Toyota Tacoma. Price $4,900. Dependable midsize pickup powered by a 3.4L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 340,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. Finished in a gold exterior with a beige interior, this truck presents a classic and practical look suitable for daily use or work purposes. This Tacoma is described as ready for work with no mechanical issues reported. It recently received several important maintenance updates, including a new water pump, timing belt, and spark plugs, helping ensure continued reliability. Additional features include an alarm system and a bed liner for added security and durability. The vehicle carries a salvage title, the registration is valid through May 2026, and the title is in hand. Overall, it stands as a solid work-ready pickup with proven longevity. Number 2. 1996 Toyota Tacoma. Price $9,500. With a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and two-wheel drive. Recently refinished with newer paint, the truck presents very well and is complemented by newer tires and rims that give it a sharp, clean appearance. The interior remains in good condition, reflecting careful ownership. It runs smoothly following a complete tune-up, and the air conditioning blows ice-cold. Mechanically, significant investment has been made into the engine, with approximately $3,800 recently spent on improvements. The timing chain has been replaced, the cylinder head rebuilt, and a new clutch installed. Additional new components include the EGR valve and diaphragm, crankshaft sensor, distributor, water pump, tensioners, spark plugs, plug wires, cap and rotor, along with new cables. The entire engine has been resealed to enhance longevity and performance. The truck holds a clean title and is registered under the current owner's name. Number 3. 1994 GMC Sierra 3500. Price $5,900. It is powered by a strong 7.4L V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a dependable 4-wheel drive system, delivering impressive performance both on and off the road. With a towing capacity of up to 13,000 pounds and a payload capacity of 4,800 pounds, this truck is well equipped to handle demanding jobs with ease. This Sierra has 222,003 miles and has been well maintained, including a rebuilt top end of the engine completed approximately 4,000 miles ago. It also features a new clutch, ensuring smooth and confident shifting. Inside, the truck offers electric seats and power windows for added comfort and convenience, while the air conditioning blows cold and works great. An air horn and many additional extras further enhance its appeal. Number 4. 1993 Nissan King Cab. Price $5,900. This truck has 290,000 miles and is equipped with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. It features a burgundy exterior matched with a burgundy interior, giving it a clean and consistent look throughout. The truck has been well cared for inside and out and has been owned personally for the past 20 years. It holds a salvage title and has registration valid through September 2026. The smog check has recently been completed, and it runs well with a strong engine and transmission. It also comes with new tires, making it ready for the road. Overall, this Nissan King Cab is a solid and reliable compact pickup that has been maintained over the years and remains in good running condition. Number 5. 1988 Toyota Pickup. Price $9,750. Equipped with a 22 RE engine and 5-speed manual transmission. This 4x4 truck has 230,000 miles and runs on gasoline. Finished in red with its original paint still in excellent condition, it remains impressively well preserved. Even the bed looks nearly new. The vehicle is completely rust-free and retains all original components except for the wheels and the addition of a roll bar with KC lights. The head gasket was replaced less than 500 miles ago, and the truck runs and drives perfectly. It has a clean title under the current owner's name, who is the second owner, having purchased it from the original owner last year. While the truck is described as super beautiful and very well maintained, it may need a new windshield due to a small crack, and the dashboard also has minor cracking. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 1500. Price $8,500. Powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 234,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. The truck features a white exterior complemented by a gray interior that has been restored, giving the cabin a refreshed and clean appearance. This vehicle has recently received a fresh paint job and sits on 4 brand new tires, enhancing both its look and road performance. It is equipped with a new suspension system, contributing to a smooth and stable ride. The engine and transmission are reported to be in good working condition with no known issues. It passes smog with no problems, holds a clean title, and the registration plates have already been paid, making it ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1970 Chevrolet C20. Price $10,000. Solid classic pickup with 78,000 miles and an automatic transmission, finished in blue with a matching blue interior. Owned by its original owner, the truck has only very minor rust and remains a running and driving project. It has recently received several important upgrades, including a brand new gas tank, fuel pump, water pump, thermostat, radiator, starter, and master cylinder, along with a rebuilt carburetor. The seller also has the original pink slip in hand, and the registration tags are up to date. Overall, this C20 presents a great opportunity for someone looking for a well-maintained classic truck with documented ownership history and solid mechanical improvements already completed. Number 8. 1996 GMC 1500. Price $5,500. It has 269,000 miles on the odometer, although the transmission has been replaced, so the actual mileage on the drivetrain is unknown. The truck comes in a brown exterior and holds a clean title. The current owner no longer has use for it. This truck runs and drives well. The plates and tags are up to date, and it is currently registered as non-operational. The tires are in good condition, making it road-ready with minimal immediate needs. On the downside, it does have some leaks from gaskets and seals. The paint and interior show wear and are a bit rough overall. Most of the interior plastic trim pieces are included, with the rear lid stored in the bed. The windshield is cracked and will need replacement. Number 9. 1982 GMC 1500. Price $4,000. Solid classic pickup powered by a strong running 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 166,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck continues to perform reliably and ride smoothly down the road. Finished in black with a matching black interior, it presents a clean and cohesive look inside and out. It comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, and an electric choke system for added convenience. The truck also features dual fuel tanks, both functioning properly, providing extended driving range. Lighting has been upgraded throughout, enhancing both visibility and appearance. Number 10. The 1972 Chevrolet C10. Price $7,000. Equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a blue exterior paired with a black interior, giving the truck a classic yet bold appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine mated to a turbo 300 transmission. It has been upgraded with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, along with dual cherry bomb mufflers that provide a strong, aggressive exhaust tone. The truck's frame is rust-free, though the body shows rust in some common areas typical for its age. The vehicle runs and drives well. While it remains a solid and dependable classic truck, it does have a few drawbacks, including visible rust spots, no radio, and no air conditioning.